the hard drive is in place. So we'll end there. Align the screws. Pop the screw in. Drilling away and secure the hard drive. These are the power cables. I'm just going to power the CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. Well, first you check to see if your CD-ROM is set to master, which obviously the pin here is not set to master, so you just pinch the pin out and you set it on slave. These are the IDE cables, come packed with your motherboard. As you can see, there's a red line on it. Red line meaning the red line should be to your left when you're facing the PC. It goes into the motherboard IDE channels. That's channel 1 and channel 2. Should be labelled. And we just plug them in. So I'm going to use one channel. And we should be fine. Right, that's all the IDE connections all completed. Now you see in the case, see a cable coming out. These say power LED, hard drive LED, and that says reset LED, and power switch. These need to be connected on your motherboard. They're usually located at the bottom left hand corner of your main board. Now these go in according to your motherboard manual, so you have to look in your manual. Done. All the cables are now rigged in. As you can see, convenience, I'm going to install the cold cathode fluorescent lighting early, also known as neon tubing. For this neon tubing we have a power control unit, cable on and off the power switch, and 2 LED tubes which I'm going to install now. Right, neon tubing is now in the case, lined up. Cables just need tightening up. It's a bit messy here and there, which we can fix after we checked everything and everything is installed. Then we can go back to it and fix it. Now it's just time to check if it boots. Any problems, we'll fix it. Right, what I did now is connected the monitor, keyboard and mouse. Now let's check if it's going to boot up. Looking nice. Yeah, seems fine. BIOS system now. It has detected my processor, my memory and my hard drives. Just checking the BIOS if everything's okay. Everything seems fine. Hardware monitor. CPU temperature at 29, motherboard temperature at 27, CPU fan, chassis fan included. Boot first boot. We'll just change that into hard drive. Into CD-ROM drive actually. Cancel that. So what I'm doing is getting it to boot from the CD-ROM first, as we're going to install Windows. So it's time for Windows. It's Windows XP stored, completely running. Now just access it. Right, everything's connected and we're ready to go. Neon lights installed. Everything seems fine. Perfect. Great. Finally, thank God, it's fully finished. As you can see, it's got a 12mm neon fan with color changing. Back red. That's fine. CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. Side panel casing lights. Windows XP fully loaded.